Right, what's up guys? We're back. What's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here, and me, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below. Alright guys, before we jump into today's video, if you're brand new and you don't know, now you know. Today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. Now these guys have been taking care of this channel for a very long time. If you want to check them out on IG, their links are at the top of the description. Make sure you check them out, give them a follow on IG. If you want to purchase anything off of them, make sure you let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you, and they'll take extra good care of you. As they usually do, they brought us another early sneaker today. Today we got the Air Jordan 5, my favorite silhouette. For all you new guys, all you new subscribers, that is my favorite Jordan. For all you guys that have been here for a long time, you know I'm hyped about this one. But yeah, this is the box. We're not going to get to a full detailed review, just a quick unboxing. I just want to show you guys the box. But this is what you guys want to see, the Air Jordan 5 Craft. Now this is a part of that craft series. I did a review on the Jordan 2. If you didn't see that review, just click the link at the top of the screen. That review is actually doing pretty well. It's at like 12,000 views right now. So if you didn't see that, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you to that review. Like I said, it's doing pretty good. Check that out. But this shoe is very, very dope. I seen it. They posted it yesterday. They had it. So I knew right away today after work I was, going to go down there and pick it up. They got a few other pairs coming in that we are, super excited about. Remember, I got the Spider-Man shoe coming in on Thursday, I believe. So stay tuned for that. Got some real interesting things coming to the channel, so stay tuned for that. We got these, we got the review and on foot dropping tomorrow for these, so stay tuned for that. A lot of things coming to the channel, man. I'm super excited this year about the channel, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, man. But yeah, let's take a look at this shoe, man, real quick. Give you a full 360 of the entire shoe. Real fast, you know what I mean, before we get that review and on foot. Yeah, what we've been seeing with the craft series is this, hairy type of suede. We're gonna go over that in tomorrow's video, but I noticed that, right off the bat with the, with the craft series. Also, too, they got these, different type of laces. We're not used to seeing these, zebra type effect laces. Pretty dope, man. But I'm super excited about these. I'm a crazy, for Air Jordan 5s. Can't wait to get these on feet, get some, on foot, shots for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. And like I said, if you're not following J&M Sneakers, make sure you do so. Their links will be in the description. Also, if you're not following me on IG and you want to come to the channel, I know I said it 100 times, but subscribe to the channel. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.